Welcome back to Rock and Ron Garage. Today we're going to work on the spindles, calipers, rotors, everything off that 78 Ford Granada for the Maverick. We're not going to install them today, but we are going to get them all assembled and greased up and all put together. We'll get them ready. And then when we go to hit it, I'll just have to drop the spindle on after I put the springs and the uppers and lowers in, and we'll get it done then. All right, here we go. All right. What we're going to do first is these rotors came preloaded with races. As you can see right there and right there. Well, I'm not going to use those. I'm going to use the ones that came with my bearings, the Timkins. So I'm going to knock these races out, pop the new ones in, and get to going. It's my grease packer. Spindles we can move. These are the ones off that 78 Ford Granada. They adapt right to the Maverick with a little bit of a finagling. I'm old school in it. There it goes. There's the front. Gotta admit, those babies are in there. I'm gonna grab a little brake clean. I'm just gonna wipe out where the race sits. I'll do the whole brake pad, rotor, when it comes time to put the calipers and stuff on. All right. We'll start with the front. I don't know if this table is going to take the hit, so I might put this on the ground on a piece of cardboard right here and do it on solid concrete. The key is to get it nice and level. Done. All right, we got the races in. Clean them all up. A couple nicks, no big deal. Get rid of this stuff. Looks like I got a new catch-all on my new table. Sure do. What we're going to do is we got new seals for the back of this. So we're going to pack the back bearings first. This one, let me just come around here. There. Rub it in there, rub it in there, rub it in there, rub it in there. That's how you do it. Okay. Grab these spindles, grease them babies up. Yep. Just like I thought. Let me bust out the wire wheel. Forgot about this, but I got to get out the seal installer to install the seals in the back of the rotors. These I'll do on the bench. Yeah. Really make short work of it. All right. I need to put some grease on that spindle. Load those calipers on. Get the washers and the nuts on. And get her done. High temp. Multi-duties. Brand spanking. Brand spanking. Yeah. Brake clean. Pick it up. Let's say you got to get off that all that shipping oils they use so they don't rust. That's the truth. Let me prove it to you. There. Unless that's the oils off the towels. Greasy. Okay. Look at that. That's like butter. Yeah. I want to do this. Put that in there. Look at that. Let's do this while I got. Put this one on this one. Look at that. Cut off my finger. All right, I got some new spindle lock nuts, they're called. And stuff. So, washer. spindle. Let me get a wrench. Okay. Preloading the bearings. Nut cap. Yeah, it puts little dents on the outside, but I can live with that. Spindle. Done. Okay. This is the way the spindle sits, like that. Anti-squeak clips. That's what those are. Anti-squeak clips. Trying to do this the best way I can so you guys can see. Okay. This is it. Yeah. I'm going to get, I think I'm going to wait on the brake hoses. I got them, but I'm going to wait on them. So here it is. All done. These are pretty heavy. Okay. This one's turn. One spindle. Done. Go. Well, that's all for tonight. Spindles are all done. So that's one less thing we got to do. They're down there, ready to go. Next, we got to do the suspension. I got a spring compressor. We're going to put that thing on after we get that shock out. Get the spring out of there safely. Take the upper control arm off, spindle off, outer tie rod, stabilizer bar, lower link, lower for A-frame, brake line. Get it all out of there. Scuff it, maybe rattle can it with some black just to make it match. Put it all back in. New uppers, new lowers, new stabilizer bushings. Of course, spindles. I have the bigger outer tie rod that's going right there. Screws right in. So we'll get that done on both sides and we'll have the front suspension done. The trans, I was told, is being built today. Finished up. I'll be picking it up probably Monday, I would say. Get it back. I got to get this old trans out. Cut that exhaust. Get some stuff out of the way. Take those power steering hoses off. I still got to buy them. Maybe even change these sway bar bushings. I'm sure they need it too. Check all the inner tie rods, sleeves, center link, all that good stuff. Got a lot of stuff. Alrighty. Thank you. Like and subscribe.